Your Roblox account might be full of items, but if you can't find your favorites on your iPhone, it can really be frustrating. Most players don't know where to look. In this video, I'll show you how to find your favorite items in Roblox on your iPhone. So let's do it right now. First, open up the Roblox app on your iPhone. Then tap on your profile picture. Next, swipe up a little bit, and then tap on View Full Profile. Now, scroll down a little bit, and here you will see the favorite section. But there is one more way if you don't find it here. I will tell you a few seconds later. Now, just tap on the favorite arrow next to it. Here you'll see all the items you favorited, like places such as games, then accessories, clothing, audio, and many more. If you tap on accessories, you'll get more subcategories like head, face, neck, etc. Tap any item to open it or visit its page. Now let's see another way to find the favorite option. So, go back to your profile page. Now look at the top of the Creations tab. Here you will see a 3-dot icon, and tap on it, and next tap Favorites. Here you'll see the same categories. And that's it. That is how you can find your favorite items in Roblox on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then smash that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.